Organic waste might seem like nothing more than leftovers or scraps, something to throw away without a second thought. But the truth is, it is a hidden treasure, waiting to be transformed. Imagine turning what you consider trash into profit, all while helping the environment. That's the exciting world of making money from organic waste, and today, we're going to explore how you can tap into it. Understanding organic waste. What it is and why it matters. So, what exactly is organic waste? It's anything biodegradable that comes from plants or animals. Think fruit and vegetable peels, leftover food, coffee grounds, grass clippings, and even leaves. Animal-based organic waste includes things like manure, bones, and some food scraps. The beauty of organic waste is in what it contains. Nutrients, energy, and raw materials that, with the right approach, can be turned into compost, energy, fertilizers, or even animal feed. Left unchecked, it creates pollution and contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. But managed correctly, it becomes a source of income, opening opportunities for farmers, small business owners, and eco-entrepreneurs alike. Composting. Turning food scraps into gold. One of the simplest ways to profit from organic waste is through composting. Composting is nature's way of recycling. It breaks down organic materials into rich, fertile soil that gardeners and farmers are willing to pay for. Starting a composting business is surprisingly accessible. You can collect scraps from households, restaurants, or local markets and process them in bins or piles. Over a few weeks, these scraps transform into dark, earthy compost that nourishes plants. By selling this compost to local farmers or gardening enthusiasts, you can create a steady stream of income. For those who want to go a step further, vermicomposting, which uses worms to speed up decomposition, can produce a premium product. Some businesses even offer workshops alongside composting, teaching schools or communities about waste management. That's a double benefit: revenue and education. Biogas production. Harnessing energy from waste. Another exciting way to make money from organic waste is through biogas. When organic material breaks down without oxygen, it produces methane, a clean energy source that can power stoves, heat homes, or even generate electricity. Building a biogas system may require more upfront investment, but it can pay off handsomely. Restaurants, farms, and communities all produce large quantities of organic waste every day, making them perfect sources. Small-scale digesters on farms or even in residential areas can turn manure and kitchen scraps into usable energy. And there's more. The leftover material from the biogas process, called digestate, is a nutrient-rich fertilizer. So, not only do you sell energy, but you can also sell the fertilizer, creating two income streams from the same waste. Producing organic fertilizers. Capitalizing on nutrient-rich waste. Organic waste isn't just for compost. It can be processed into specialized fertilizers that farmers and gardeners love. These fertilizers improve soil health, boost crop yields, and are far gentler than chemical alternatives. A business can collect waste from restaurants, supermarkets, or farms and process it into packaged fertilizers. Drying, grinding, and blending materials produces a product that is easy to store, ship, and sell. Packaging matters. A well-labeled, attractive product can command premium prices. To reach customers, consider partnerships with gardening stores, farmers' cooperatives, or even selling online. Subscription-based delivery services for households and small farms are another way to secure steady income. By diversifying products, your business can cater to both small-scale gardeners and large-scale farmers. Animal feed. Turning leftovers into livestock nutrition. Did you know that leftover food can become nutritious feed for livestock? Many vegetable peels, grains, and bakery scraps can safely feed cows, pigs, poultry, or fish. This approach reduces waste and provides farmers with affordable nutrition. A business model here is simple. Collect food waste, sort and sanitize it, and process it into animal feed. Then sell it to local farms. Some entrepreneurs even produce value-added products like pelletized feed or fortified mixes that are easier to transport and store. When marketed as cost-effective and eco-friendly, these products attract a loyal customer base, creating a sustainable revenue stream. Urban farming and mushroom cultivation, creative waste solutions. Organic waste can also fuel urban farming and specialty crops like mushrooms. Many mushrooms thrive on coffee grounds, agricultural residues, or kitchen scraps. By using waste as a growth medium, small businesses can cultivate mushrooms and sell them locally. Urban farms increasingly focus on sustainability, and turning waste into food fits perfectly with that mission. Beyond mushrooms, organic waste can support vermiculture, producing worms for composting or even for fishing bait. These ventures require minimal investment but can yield high returns, especially when marketed as organic and local. Combining these efforts with workshops or local delivery services can further enhance income potential. Waste-to-energy startups. Large-scale opportunities. For entrepreneurs ready to scale, organic waste can power entire waste-to-energy projects. Industrial-scale anaerobic digesters and gasification plants can process thousands of tons of waste, generating electricity or biofuels. These operations demand more planning, technical know-how, and adherence to environmental regulations, but the financial returns are substantial. Collaborations with municipalities, supermarkets, and food processors can secure a steady supply of waste, ensuring consistent energy production. Incentives like government grants and carbon credits make these projects even more appealing. The world is moving toward renewable energy, and organic waste is at the heart of this shift. Community initiatives and recycling programs, monetizing collaboration. You don't need huge machinery to profit from organic waste. Community-based initiatives are an excellent way to start small. Imagine setting up a system where households and businesses pay for organic waste collection. This waste can then be turned into compost, bioenergy, or animal feed. These programs also offer opportunities to educate the community. Workshops, school programs, and local gardens can attract funding from local governments, NGOs, or international organizations. By fostering collaboration, you're creating revenue streams while promoting sustainability and environmental responsibility. Marketing and business considerations. Turning organic waste into money isn't just about processing it, it's about reaching the right audience. For compost and fertilizers, highlight their nutrient content and eco-friendly benefits. For biogas and energy projects, focus on cost savings and environmental impact. For animal feed, emphasize safety and nutritional value. Diversifying services, such as offering collection, processing, and delivery, can create multiple revenue streams. Educational services, workshops, or consulting in sustainable practices add another layer of income. A clear business plan, efficient operations, and strong partnerships are essential for long-term success. Challenges and risks. Of course, there are challenges. Collection and transportation logistics can be tricky, especially in cities. Maintaining hygiene, preventing odor, and ensuring safety are critical. Regulations must be followed carefully to avoid fines or health hazards. Markets for compost, fertilizers, or animal feed can fluctuate, and competition may rise as more people enter the space. Mitigating risks involves research, quality control, and innovative approaches, like combining waste management with energy production or specialty crops. Adaptability and creativity are key to thriving in this industry. Future opportunities and trends. The future looks bright for entrepreneurs in organic waste. Governments and businesses are increasingly supporting sustainability, and policies encourage waste recycling and renewable energy. Advances in composting, anaerobic digestion, and biorefining technology expand the possibilities for profit. The rise of the circular economy, where waste is seen as a resource, offers new business models. Urban farming, community recycling initiatives, and digital tools like waste collection apps or online marketplaces further expand opportunities. Those who embrace these trends can build profitable businesses that are also environmentally responsible. Conclusion: transforming waste into wealth. Organic waste is no longer just a problem to manage, it's a treasure waiting to be tapped. Composting, biogas production, fertilizers, animal feed, urban farming, and large-scale waste-to-energy projects all show that what we discard can be a source of income. Success in this field requires creativity, efficiency, and strategic planning. Small-scale projects, community programs, and industrial operations all have a role to play. With growing demand for sustainable solutions, the market for organic waste products continues to expand. Ultimately, making money from organic waste is about seeing opportunity where others see trash. It takes vision, commitment, and innovation, but the rewards are real, both financially and environmentally. By turning waste into wealth, you can build a business that makes a difference for your community, your pocket, and the planet.